Namaste and welcome to the channel. Now the question is, if a body travels half its total path in the last second of its fall from rest, calculate the height of the fall. Now let us suppose a body falls from height h. It falls from height h. It's a body falls from height h while at rest. That means u is 0. The initial velocity is 0 meter per second. It moves from rest, and the half of its height is h by 2. H by 2 is its half height, and the total time, let us suppose the total time of fall is t. Now it falls under the effect of gravity, so acceleration due to gravity is g. Now we have, according to equation of motion, h equals ut plus half gt square plus minus half gt square. Now it's a falling case, so and h is we've taken a bigger h. H is h, u is 0 because it falls from rest, so that remains. The sign is positive since it's a falling case. 1 by 2 gt square. It's the first case. Now if a body travels half its total path in last second, now last second means the time is t minus 1. It's last second. It gives the condition 2. Condition 2, this is condition 1. Condition 2 is h by 2. Since it travels half of its height, it gives ut plus half gt square, h by 2 h equal to ut plus half gt square. We know that h, now h is h by 2 since it travels half of its total height, and u is 0, so ut is 0, and 1 by 2 g and t minus 1 square. It's the second case it is given. Now dividing. Now we divide equation 1 by equation 2. Got it. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2, we get I should turn the page. We get h by h by 2 equals 1 by 2 gt square by 1 by 2 gt minus 1 whole square. And now h gets cancelled. 1 by 2 1 by 2 gets cancelled, gg gets cancelled. Now what remains is 2 equals t square by t minus 1 whole square. It remains now 2 t minus 1 whole square equal t square, or 2 t square minus 2t plus 1, the formula of a minus b whole square, t square, or 2t square minus 2 to 4t plus 2 equals t square. Now 2t square minus t square is t square minus 4t plus 2 equals 0. Now let us calculate this quadratic equation. We get t equals 2 plus root 2 second. That means 3.41 second, or t equals to 0.58 second. Now these two are the values of t, but the total time cannot be less than 1, since in the question it is given that it travels half of its distance in the last second, so it cannot be less than 1. So final value of t is 3.41 second. Now substituting this value of t in equation, whichever equation 1, h equals 1 by 2 gt square equals 1 by 2 into g. Let us take g is 10 meter per second square, and t we have obtained 3.41 whole square, which gives the value of height 1 by 2 into 10 into 3.41 whole square. It gives value 58.1405 meter. Now these are the values. This is the value of total time taken, and this is the total height of the path. Which concludes the video. Thank you. Subscribe.